Want to remove items from your wishlist on Temu? I'm Simran from Online Help Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to delete items from your wishlist on the Temu app. Let's get started. First, open the Temu app on your device. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom of your screen. In your profile, select the wishlist section. Browse through your wishlist to find the items you want to delete. Once you find the item, tap on it to view the product. Scroll down to the product details. Look for the heart icon beside product details. Finally, tap on the heart icon and a notification will pop up confirming the item has been removed from your wishlist. And that is how you delete items from your wishlist on Temu. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down below if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.